going on, everybody? I don't know if you've ever heard of Ford Boss Me. Great guy, great channel. He started a movement called Prove Him Wrong. That's Prove him, Hym, wrong, WRONG. And this is dealing with Scotty Kilmer. Scotty, I'm calling you out, man. A lot of us dealer factory train technicians have had enough of your shit, dude. The things that you tell people to do, or your diagnostic approach, is just straight garbage. Telling people to put Coke in their gas can to clean, or in their fuel system to clean it, no. Labeling your videos, oh, I hooked this scan tool up to my car and it ruined it. That's called clickbait, man. And I honestly believe that's against YouTube's terms and policy and partnership program. So I think your channel should be deleted. You don't technically fix anything. I know your background and where you came from, that you were a mechanic under your grandfather at a Texaco gas station that your father owned. Well, things aren't like they were back then. There's a lot of electronics, and us dealer technicians go through a lot of hands-on training to do this. You can't just go turn a wrench on something like you're telling somebody to do, or pull a code and throw a part at it and expect it to be fixed. There's a lot of diagnostics and pinpoint tests that you have to do. So I'm proving you wrong. There's my stand. I wish you would stop clickbaiting and throwing all these stupid videos out, and when there's young aspiring technicians out there and that actually want to learn something a little bit else, when they have channels like Ford Boss Me, they have my channel, they have Chris Fix, really good. We don't need your shit, dude. Why don't you just get off of YouTube? Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll holler at y'all later.